select your general in ASP and MVC. So for this, right, let's go for this. We have already one application. In that application, we are going to work here. So here requirement is we want to take how many radio buttons for select your gender. Two radio buttons. One radio button is for male and another radio button is for female. One is for male and another one is for female. Am I right? Hello? One is for male and another one is for female. Okay. So is it are you able to see the font size is okay for all of you? Okay, right. So the requirement is like this. You should provide a facility to the user to select male or female means two radio buttons you should have, right? For that we are going to work with a small example. So controller name will be home only, and yes, here action method name is index, and for index I'm adding one view, add view, right, click add button. Your view is getting added. Now we need to write the code. First we have to write the design code. We have to write the design code for what? To have two radio buttons. Okay, here my requirement is like this. I want to have two radio buttons and one button. Okay, same story. Form name equal to, come on, same name equal to form name equal to, okay, it is helper code, right? Name equal to, hello guys, tell me how many radio buttons you require? Two radio buttons. I want two radio buttons and one normal button. And whenever you select male, it should display a message called your gender is male. Whenever you select female, it should say that your gender is female. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you need to write the code for two radio buttons. So observe this. Right? Here, name equal to my form. And we need to write the two radio buttons code. Okay. Method equal to post. Why you require this attribute? What is the purpose of this? Come on. What is the purpose of this method equal to post? To have post back for what purpose? Post back request. Here you observe. Here I am going to have first radio button, type equal to radio, input type equal to, did you remember the radio button code, guys? ASP.NET radio button code. But here the button, radio button is a HTML radio button or ASP.NET radio button? Is it HTML radio button or ASP.NET radio button? HTML. Input type equal to radio. Yeah. Now come on. Shubha, tell me the code. Tell me the code.
Yes.
Input
Type
HTML button code. Tell me. Come on.
type is equal to radio.
Input type equal to radio. What about ASP.NET radio button code?
ASP colon.
Okay. Now input type equal to radio. Tell me next what?
ID is equal to ID or name, whatever.
whatever it is, but ID name both are same, huh? Hmm? ID and name both are same, huh? No.
No.
Case of radio button. What is the role of ID name? Come on. You're all experts in ASP.NET. Right. See, observe. I'll explain here. Radio, mail. You can observe here. Value equal to mail.
Mail.
Value equal to mail. And here display is mail. You can observe. Right here, the point to remember, understand is here you have name and you have ID.
Yes.
But ID is radio mail and name is
Gender.
why like that?
It's just like a group name in ASP.
Very good. Who is that? Who is that? Varuna. Input type equal to radio, name equal to gender, and radio female. Radio female. Here female, and here what is that? Female. Capitals. Female.
ID is unique for that every control.
Now my concern is Shubha. What is the role of name property in case of radio buttons?
Okay.
Are you working in ASP.NET?
No, I'm not working on that one. I'm working on EXT, that is the third party controls.
But you are expert in ASP.NET, right?
Yes.
Yes, Satya, tell me what is the role of name property here? Making two radio buttons as a single group. If you need to mention that name property common value, then user may select two radio buttons also. It will allow you to select two radio buttons also. If you want, you remove name property after class, you check it. It will allow you to select male and as well as female. But what is the nature of the radio button? Radio button will allow the user to select only
Single value.
single item. Okay, right. Yeah, next input type equal to button. Input type equal to button. Yes. Input type equal to button. And ID equal to BTN submit. Value equal to tell me value equal to submit. Right. So here we are using only one span and one MAC. Clear? This is the design code, everybody. Hello. Right. This is the design code. Now for this we need to write the razor code logic. We need to write the logic. Come on, tell me. Yes. I send the design code to you through chat. Just check it. Razor code, please. Razor code. Yeah. Razor code. What is the razor code we have to use here? Whenever you click the submit, for first request, do you require to execute anything here? No. Whenever user click the submit button, post back request will generate. In that post back request, it has to check whether user selected male or female, right? So how many options we have?
Two options.
Among two options, you want to execute how many options?
Single.
Then tell me what.
If this dot is post, yeah, is post.
So if, come on, what is the logic? If,
Is post. This dot is post.
right, if, my point is, if else,
It will.
if else. Okay, but there is a chance that user may not select any radio button also, right?
Yes.
There is a chance that user may not select any radio button also. In that case,
I have to check the.
are you understanding my point? Correct? So what is the logic here? To take first one variable. What is a variable? MSG. String MSG. Right. And this dot is post. Here important point is here only one thing. If request dot, what is the name of the radio buttons? What is the name of the
Gender.
radio button?
Gender.
Gender. Gender. The request dot gender. The request dot gender is empty. Did you remember is empty method?
Yes, sir.
Is empty. If request dot, what is that? Is empty. Then watch. In case of request, is it R capital or small?
R should be capital.
Capital.
R is capital or small?
Capital.
R is a capital. Okay. And if this dot is post, because whenever we take the copy paste from the word, complete changing the code, right? If request of gender is empty, means user is not selected
Radio buttons.
any radio button. Then MSC equal to please select your
Gender.
mother tongue. Else MSC equal to your mother tongue is concern radio button. Your mother tongue is, what is that? Request of, this is what again?
We are working on male and female, right?
Gender.
Request of your mother, sorry, male and female. Kada?
Select.
Please select your gender. I'm sorry. Please select your gender. And your gender is, request of what? Gender. Right. Here, hello.
So
Yes, sir.
Right. This is if block. This is else block. This is again simple if. This is again simple if. This is extra block. And this is closing of which block? Razor block. This is a razor block opening, razor block closing. Clear all of you? Have you updated your design code in your system, all of you?
yes, sir.
Design code updated. Now you update this razor code. Try to update your razor code immediately. Right. Did you get razor code? Hello? Got it, huh? Razor code. Did you get razor code, all of you? Is it working? Is it working? Execute the program in your systems. Right, working. See, my concern is you should check your systems also. Hello?
No, sir.
Working, huh? Respond, man. I'm speaking now. Why you are unable to speak, all of you guys? Who said that online class means muting and listening the class? If you're having noise, that is okay. Where is the communication between the faculty and student? And muting yourself and sitting idle. Instead of that, you can watch YouTube videos, right? For how many people it is working? Sarada, is it working? Respond and you can mute yourself.
Sir,
Is it working?
still I'm not getting the result. It's in
What
process.
you are trying? That's okay. Respond like that. What about Jagadishwari? How I can ask each and everyone? I completed. I completed. I am doing. At least I am doing. Still it's loading. Status will be there, na? Come on, be active in the class, all of you guys. Come on, please respond.
It's loading.
Right.
I'm writing.
There are 10 students are there in the class. 1 or 2 people are responding. Did you get the page like this?